Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and I'm from Shenzhen Visualeader. My company have been built, actually we have been in the LED display business for more than 15 years. We are very professional and we provide most innovative product with good price and good quality. Yeah, well now I'm going to show you our latest product. This is our E-Series P0.9. It's also the smallest pixel pitch for indoor fixed installation in this industry. And for E-Series, it's also our most popular sale product for indoor fixed installation. We have 0.9, 1.27, 1.58, and also P1.9 pixel pitches for option. Well, this one is very high density and high pixels, so very clear. It's mostly applied for the shopping mall or meeting room or government, mostly for government projects also. Yeah, so far we have produced this one with 30 square meter to Russia, mass produced. Yeah, okay. Well, if you have any, if you want to know more about information about our product and our company, you can visit our website. Our website is www.visualeader.com. Thank you.